Right now, after a month of heavy rain, people living in Minnesota are dealing with some massive flooding this morning. Rivers have swelled, flooded towns, running over crops there. There's even been a mudslide. The Mississippi River is expected to remain at flood level until at least the middle of next week. With more rain in the forecast, residents of Prior Lake are working together to protect their community.
We're sandbagging to try to keep the streets open for the most part. Also protecting a couple houses that are just about ready to go under. And we're just trying to sandbag at the end of the cul-de-sac, which is now part of the lake.
Longtime residents say they haven't seen flooding this bad in more than 30 years.